Here I have TECNO smartphone, and let me show you all AI assistants or intelligent facilities that you can use on this device. Alright, so let's start by swiping up to open the list of all applications. Here let me choose settings, and let's scroll down to the bottom of the list, choose special function. Here you can choose the intelligent facilities, so you can use the multiple intelligent facilities for an OS that understands all your needs. Let me show you how this works. Tap Explore, and here you can use three things: suggestions. So here you can read the following information. You can use these suggestions, you can add to the home screen. Let me tap add, and you will see some recommendation from AI on your home screen. You can also tap custom, and for example you can use the schedule to show the day's schedules. You can tap recent to do, so show the day's to-dos. You can enable or disable quick payment, turn off alarm, rain alert, steps, turn on alarms, workout status. So basically all suggestions that TECNO smartphone can use. In my case, let me enable all of them to have the full access of them. Let's go back. Besides suggestions, you can also choose the app booster. So it's really useful because app booster will preload some apps based on your phone use to reduce the startup latency. So tap advanced settings, and in my case I definitely should use it on YouTube, Google, Gmail, and for example the photos. Those are the most useful ones. In my case I'm using those apps really often, so I will keep them enabled. Let's go back again. You can also use some smart scenes, so you can provide convenient services such as real-time payment reminders and bedtime reminders depending on the scenario you are in. Let me enable all of them. I would like to have access to all of them, so I will use the bedtime reminder, repayment reminder, so it could be really useful. So that's it. Those are the best AI tools, the best AI suggestions that you can use on your TECNO smartphone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.